Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to adjust your mouse pointer speed or sensitivity, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to adjust your mouse sensitivity, what I want you to do first is to go to your Windows search. Once you're on your Windows search, next, I want you to search mouse settings. And after searching, you can now click to open your mouse settings. After you've opened your mouse settings, you will now be able to see the mouse pointer speed. So the mouse pointer speed is the sensitivity of your mouse. So to adjust the sensitivity of your mouse, just drag this to change the sensitivity depending on your preferences. If you want a lower sensitivity mouse, just drag this towards the left side. The more you drag it to the left side, the lower the sensitivity of your mouse will become. And as you can see guys, my mouse pointer speed is now so slow. But if you want a higher mouse sensitivity, then just drag this towards the right side. And as you can see, my mouse speed now is so fast. So to get the mouse sensitivity that you want, just adjust this depending on your preferences. And so that's just how you adjust your mouse sensitivity guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have some questions or if you have a problem that you want me to make tutorial about. So that's all guys, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, goodbye.